Hey everybody, Ryan here at etrailer.com. Today on our 2016 Cadillac SRX, we're going to be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness. Our wiring is going to provide us with all the necessary lighting functions to remain safe and legal as we tow our trailer down the road. Now when it comes to wiring for our SRX, there is going to be multiple options out there. Well, this is going to be a great choice if you have a factory tow package, because this is going to plug into the factory connector right up here behind our bumper. It's also going to have a dust cap, and that'll go over our plug and help protect it from the elements such as rust and corrosion. And to go a step further to help keep your terminals in good shape, it's not a bad idea to apply some dielectric grease to them every now and again. Now there's many different options available when it comes to mounting your wiring. There's multiple different brackets available, like the one we're using here today, that you can find on etrailer.com. And if you need a hitch to go with your wiring, I'd recommend the Draw-Tite Class 3 2-inch like we have here today. What myself and many other customers really like about this is how well it works and how simple and easy it is to install. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and do that together now. To begin our installation, we're going to be working right here in this area underneath the center of the bottom of our bumper. We're going to have this access panel that we need to remove. We'll do that by taking out these two Phillips head screws. And you can just pull the panel away from the bumper. Now if we look on the inside of our bumper beam, we're going to see a wire with a connector here. And there's going to be no wires coming off the other side of the connector. And that's going to be where we plug in for our trailer wiring. Now I'm just going to pry this away just to give us a better look at how we're going to do that. On the end of the connector, we're going to have a cap that's protecting the inside that we need to take off. So we'll have this gray tab, we'll push up on it and pull it out just like that. Now what we can do is take our new harness. What I like to do is use some dielectric grease, just put it over those terminals to help prevent any corrosion. And all we'll do is take the two ends and plug them into each other. Now if you unclipped our connector here from the bumper beam, at this point you can just push it back in. And now what I'm going to do is just take our wiring, just kind of tuck it back here out of the way, and that'll give us more than enough room to put our hitch into place. So now that we have our hitch on, I went ahead and secured our wiring end with a no drill bracket. Now with everything hooked up, you can go ahead and test it to make sure it's working properly. So I'm going to go ahead and hit my left turn signal, my right turn signal, my brake lights, and my running lights. And that'll do it for our look at and our installation of the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness on our 2016 Cadillac SRX.